To fix mobile network problem on the Redmi A7 Pro, I'm gonna show you few tips. The first one, open settings, go to the more connectivity options. Then you will have to go into reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth and select which SIM card you want to reset. If you have problem with both SIM cards, you will have to first reset the first one and then reset second one. Now, what you can also do, make sure that the airplane mode is not turned on, because if it's turned on, as you can see, you don't have access to the mobile data, but also to the Wi-Fi. Next, we have to go back, go to the mobile and networks and open this. And what you can do here, just simply restart the mobile data by turning this off and on. You can also turn off the dual LTE, because sometimes this will actually give you that connection problems. And if you are outside your country, then you have to try to enable that international roaming and to make sure that that data limit is also turned off. Next, we have to go back from this one, and what you can also do, open one of our SIM card and you can select carrier manually. So as default, you will get this selection automatically, but sometimes you can just select this manually. So we have to wait for the searching process, and when specific carrier will appear, like for example T-Mobile, Verizon or Orange or whatever is actually available on your region, you will have to try to select this and check if it's gonna work. But for me, of course, I'm gonna get rid of it. We can also change the access point names, but here I cannot actually help you with creating the specific one for your carrier, because it looks different for every carrier, but also different for every region. But basically you have to find the access point names and input all of those things like proxy, port, server, for example, the multimedia messages proxy. And right now you will have to click save, apply, and test if the problem was with the access point names. If not, you can also go for that network, those here, the network, preferred network, and make sure that you are gonna select the prefer mobile networks. And last two tips, you can also try to update your software to get the latest fixes of some problems, or additionally, you can just simply reboot your phone by selecting that option. Let me know if those tips works. Thank you so much for watching.